what do I think about the Playseat challenge and the Logitech G29? I think it's a very good combo if you're planning to start into the sim racing world. I think it's a very good combination. Price range, I think it's very good. Also, space, it's very good if you don't have a lot of space. It's a perfect way to get something that it's not very big and you can unfold very easy. And I think it's a very good combination there. Um, some people was complaining that this wobbles quite a lot. If I'm honest with you, I didn't have any problems, any issues. I played a couple of intensive games such as ACC. Also, I played some rally, V Rally as well. I know that true force feedback is quite strong here, but overall, I didn't have any problems. This is solid, very stable, very well built. And if you play some rally games, some drifting games, this is very stable, so you're not gonna have issues. So overall, I think it's a very good combination.